Hey there guys, Abners Reviews here, and today we are checking out the Anker laptop power bank. So here's what we got from the box. We have a user guide or user manual. They also gave us a pouch with a nice texture to it. This feels premium and it's branded with an Anker brand. And of course we have our Anker laptop power bank. That's all we got from the box. Let's discuss and get the details of our laptop power bank on the next clip. So that is our LCD screen. So we have Anker branding on this side, and I believe this is the on and off switch on this side of the power bank. We also have a USB type C in and out, so that's one on this side. Another port for USB type A, and this is for output. So I believe you can charge the power bank using this port as well, right? Because it's in and out, but you need a separate cable. Patents on the bottom, on the back, not so much. So you see that's 25,000 milliamp per hour or 90 watt hour. That means it is allowed on planes, so you can carry this one when you fly. On the other side, we have two cables on our power bank here, and they are attached to the power bank. So this is the one which also doubles as a handle for the power bank with an IQ branding on the side. So that means this cable supports that charging technology, IQ fast charging. And the other cable is on the top. It's branded as Instacord. So that is cool, right? So both of these cables that is attached on the power bank are Type C cables. So all you have to do to have it retract to the power bank is just pull on a little like this, and it should go back. Plus this part, I think it's magnetized. Let's see. So if you tip the charge head, it would magnetize to the power bank. Yes. So that part is magnetized, so it keeps it hidden and tidy on top of the power bank. So the other cable is not technically retractable, and as I mentioned earlier, this doubles as a handle, so we can carry it like so. And to use this one, so it's stuck in on the part with the IQ branding. All you need to do is push this forward like so, and then you can get this cable free. Right? Is there branding in there? In and out C2. So both these cables, the one on top and this one, are fast charging cables. So they can withstand the maximum output of the power bank here, which is claimed to be 165 watts. That's indicated right here. So both of the cables that is attached on the power bank, they can carry 165 watts. Of course, that's if you are charging a device that is compatible for fast charging up to 165 watts, and also if you are charging just that one device. Of course, if you are charging multiple devices, you will not be able to achieve the maximum 165 watts because the power would be divided into how many devices you are charging. So this one technically is not retractable. The one retractable cable is on the top part, this one. So this one, you just tuck it in after you use, like so, and pull this back, right there. So the other input or output is on the side. So for these, we need other cables. We have also a separate Anker Type C to Type C cable here. You also have a regular cable here, so we can test the Type A output. We'll be using these extra cables for the ports on the side. Okay, some of the claims that we have for this device is that it can charge an iPhone 16 Pro to 50% in 25 minutes. It can charge a MacBook Air M3 to 50% in 21 minutes, and a Samsung S24 to 50% in 28 minutes. So that's how fast the charging is using this power bank. And it also got a smarter battery protection, which controls the temperature of the power bank, because as you know, heat is the number one enemy or adversary of batteries. So the power bank from Anker controls the temperature so that it can take care of the battery and take care of your devices as well. And of course, you can always monitor the charging of your devices through our LCD. So let's turn this on for the first time and see what we have on the front on our LCD display. The power bank out of the box does have 15%. Unfortunately, as you can see, it's a fingerprint magnet. So take note of that. Common problem for this type of surfaces. So there's a little like face there. That is cool. So you can monitor from here when you are charging multiple devices or just one. So you can always check here how your charging is going. And also, since this is a really powerful device, you can charge any high power devices with it up to 165 watts at a time. Maybe you can charge your MacBooks, your laptops, or maybe drones. You can charge your drones using this power bank. In terms of recharging, so to recharge your power bank, you can use any of the Type-C cables attached or the other one on the side. The maximum charging wattage allowed for the power bank is 100 watts for any of the Type-C cables attached or this one on the side. Anker claims that you can recharge up to 30% of the power bank within 20 minutes. Okay, that is fast. So I hope it really performs that well on our tests.
A few moments later.
From our charge state earlier, after 5 minutes, we are already on 35% juice for our power bank, and we have an hour and 53 minutes remaining to full charge. So I would say from the state of charge earlier to 35%, it is indeed fast charging for our power bank here, 36%. So now let's go and test charge some of our devices. We have a Lenovo laptop and some phones. We will try to charge 4 devices at a time. So let's try that. Let's set it up and let's go. So here we go, guys. We are currently using all 4 possible charging outputs from our power bank at the moment, and if you can see on our monitor here, so all the type C and the type A, they are currently working real hard at the moment. So you can see the real-time charging from each of the ports from the power bank from the screen. You can also check for the temperature and the battery health. So total output is currently at only 33%. We have 33% juice from the power bank, and the total current output is around 60 watts. So we're only pulling 60 watts from our power bank at the moment, and I have already used all 4 outputs from it. It's still not breaking a sweat. I have connected a laptop and 2 phones and an earbud. So that's the state of charge for our power bank at the moment. So let's try and remove the other charging components, and let's leave only the laptop. Well, still the same. The laptop is only pulling 40 watts from our power bank at the moment. Let me plug all 3 devices again. This power bank is really powerful. I couldn't even make it break a sweat at the moment. So you can see that you can charge 4 devices at a time using all the ports and attach Type-C cables. So that is all working. I would say this is a success in terms of using all the ports for charging on our Anker laptop power bank. So I'm cycling the display, by the way, using the on and off switch on the side if you haven't seen it already, and you can also monitor how much juice is left from that same display. Okay, so there you go, guys, with our quick unboxing and review of the Anker laptop power bank. And as you can see, I have purchased a sort of a rubber sleeve for our power bank just for extra protection. But this one is really for this particular laptop power bank. So as you can see, I have openings on the top for that cable, and if you're not using it, close it like so. On the sides, we can still use the Type-C cable here, and from the other side, we can still plug in our Type-C and Type-A cables in here if we need to use these output ports as well. But based on my use for the power bank, I have seldom used these ports. I always use the retractable one on the top and this one. Of course, I only use this port when I have to charge my iPhone because we don't have any lightning cable included on the attached ones, right? That's how I use the Type-C port on this side. So I have already charged this again and I have a 98% level of juice for the power bank at the moment. But I would say that if you really have gadgets, phones, AirPods, well, yeah, you can also use this for drones and it really is really handy. You carry it like this, comes with a pouch, a branded one at that, and we really like how there's a LCD here where we can monitor how we are using the power bank. And in addition, you will not be able to view this section here or this view from the LCD. This display, if you're not charging any devices or if you are charging the power bank. But that is very useful that you can toggle between these displays while you are charging or using our power bank. It does really embody the catchphrase that they use for this: charge faster, travel lighter. So we have 25k milliamp per hour here, which we can use for a maximum of 165 watts for single device charging. We have retractable cables. We can charge 4 devices at a time. This is plane safe, so you can bring this when you travel, when you fly. You don't have to worry about overcharging because we have active protection here, the Active Shield 2.0, which comes with the power bank as well. So it protects the temperature of the battery, charging and discharging. And last but not least, we can recharge our power bank really fast because you can use this cable or the retractable cable on top to recharge our power bank here. We can recharge for a maximum rate of 100 watts when we are replenishing the charge of the power bank. We have seen from our test that this does charge really fast. It will be charged for up to 30% just within under 20 minutes. So it will not take up much space. You can travel lighter, but you have all the features in your pocket. So this really is handy and it is a very good buy. So there you go, guys. If you have comments and inquiries for this power bank here, please leave a comment down below. We will leave purchase links on the video description as well if ever you wanted to purchase the same laptop power bank from Anker, or you can use the YouTube links which will be available on our video as well. There you go, guys. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified once we upload another one of our tech reviews right here, as well as our usual video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here.
You win. Perfect. Hadouken!
That's been it. This is Abners Reviews, and we will catch you guys on the next one.